A very good evening, traders. Apologies from my side as I could not do the post market report yesterday. As you guys know, this is festival season, and yesterday I had went out uh, for Mela, and that is why I could not do the post market report. Today also we have plans of moving out, and so I am recording it early. Behind me, you can see my friend. He is Free Fire player. And if you guys want to learn the tips and tricks of Free Fire, I will ping down his channel link in this video. For guys, those who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Aryan. I have been trading in the Indian markets for the past 4 years. My trades are based solely on technical analysis, which includes price action, chart patterns, support, resistance, and trend lines. Before I proceed further, let me give you all a standard disclaimer. Equities shown in this video are solely for educational purposes. I do not provide any buy or sell recommendations. Neither do I encourage you to trade on my analysis. I have a right to be wrong and I love being wrong. Anything you buy or sell, please please consult your financial advisor. So let's continue with this video and jump straight into the screen to see today's price action. Screen I have opened up Nifty 50, that is on 1 hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, let me mark out where our day starts. So our day starts from this candle. For today's price action, we can see that after a long time, after this long downfall, today there is a relief rally, and this relief rally is almost around 1%. We are 200 plus points up, and with this up move, we are near the first. We are near the nearest resistance. Don't know how long this up move will continue. So for today's price action, currently I am recording this in live market. Just a few minutes for market closing, and we can see that it is one way bullish price action. First three candles were green, all successive candles increasing in size, as we can see here. Then after that there was a one small red candle which paused at halfway of this last green candle, and after that red move, all the down move was cancelled out with the all the down move in this small red candle was cancelled out with the further green candles. Now let's move to 15 minutes and see what is the price action. On 15 minutes also we can see the similar price action. Day started here, first two candles were green, then there was a slight selling pressure. This selling pressure, though it took prices to the opening levels, but we can see that it could not close there. This long tail at the lower side, this indicates the buying pressure, and this buying pressure could be seen in the next few candles. As we can see, it moved significantly up till afternoon. In the afternoon there was a slight pullback to this rally. However, this pullback ended at a previous resistance. The resistance that this line that I have drawn, which acted like a resistance in the earlier days, like yesterday or day before yesterday, is today now acting as support. And the price took support at this level, and then it is moving up. If we extend this parallel channel, the previous parallel channel that we had drawn, we can see that the price is now touching upper boundary of this parallel channel. So I guess that was enough for Nifty 50 analysis. Now let's move to sectoral indices. So on the sectoral indices, we have 15 minutes time frame opened. Let me close this sidebar. Okay, zooming in the chart a bit, and now let me mark Nifty price action. So Nifty price action is somewhat like this. Coming to Bank Nifty is similar to Nifty, just slightly bullish. However, I guess all the in the late afternoon rally was not due to Bank Nifty. The early Bank Nifty early rally was purely due to Bank Nifty, but this afternoon rally, I can't see the same rally in Bank Nifty. Auto index shot up excessively in the first candle itself, first 15 minutes candle, and that is mainly due to good sales data that had come from Mahindra and Mahindra and some other Bajaj Auto. these auto companies gave good auto sales, and that is seen in the first green candle. After that, it has been purely consolidation. FMCG initially went down, but then there was a dramatic rally. IT index is similar to FMCG. Initially, it came down, but then there was a dramatic rally. Pharma index is somewhat similar to auto index. Initially, it shot up in the first candle. Then, for whole day, it has been consolidating within the upper half of this big candle. And after that, in the late afternoon, we can see a slight breakout, similar that was seen in auto. So if we compare afternoon price action, we can see that IT index and FMCG, these two sectors contributed for the afternoon rally. Uh, that was all for sectoral indices. Now let me move chart back to Nifty 50 so that we can see price action of some of the key equities. Okay, so Adani Enterprises today around 3.5% up. We are watching 1 hour time frame, and this 3.5% rally has come in the last 3 hours itself. That is in the late afternoon. You can see initially it was going down or flat, but then there was a sudden rally. I don't know what news is contributing this rally. I guess same will be the okay. So Adani Ports is not that Adani Ports did not participate totally into this up move. Where Adani Enterprise is 3.5% up, Adani Ports is just 1.3% up. Okay, then Axis Bank is 2.5% up. Similar is the case only in the afternoon. I guess this is due to RBI rate cut. I'm sure in the rate cut meeting there is some good news, and that is why banking stocks are Axis Bank is up. Okay, Bajaj Finserv also we can see a slight up move. Yeah, it is slightly up move. Then after that, Bajaj Auto. Oh, Bajaj Auto indicated good sales. Then why is it falling? Okay, even after good sales, it is falling down. Okay, Coal India at one time I thought it will enter this zone, but this sharp rejection of this zone brought prices back, and now in the only in the last moments it could it shows little up move. Okay, if we extend this downward channel, we can see that it has taken support exactly at this level. That means retest. If we to be precisely, I guess this is retesting. That will be confirmed only in the later price actions. Okay, after that, is there any more up move? Okay, up move. Today most of the okay now this is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is 3.5% up. A great move from this Kotak Bank. What is the status of HDFC Bank? HDFC Bank is 1.5%. So okay, Indusind Bank is 1% up. ICC Bank is quarter to 2% up. SBI is 1% down. Oh, I guess this is profit booking in SBI. So if this profit booking continues, then will it retest this level? Let's see what happens in the near future. Okay, so we are looking at TCS. Yeah, in the late afternoon, as IT sector, there was a rally in IT sector, and so we can see the same rally in TCS. Let's now quickly. That was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. I hope with this analysis, the way I draw trend lines, support, and patterns, this helps you guys to learn some basic price action techniques. Bye bye traders. See you in the next video. Adios amigo, powering off.